Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, guys, and unfortunately we have another red candle today and we have dipped below or into that channel again, that is on the weekly interval or the long-term running resistance channel. Up here you can see that line. So what do we make out of it? Are we bearish now full on? So in this video, we'll talk about the price action, as there's still, just 7 minutes left for market to close, but we'll end into the market closing on this price action analysis. There is not much that's going to change now. So with that, hit the like, subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. I know. This is, yeah, unfathomable. It's, again, anything is possible in the stock market, but it's really what I didn't want to see. But yes, so we didn't get the green candle today that I really wanted to see, and that green candle was important for us to continue to stay full on bullish. However, though, it doesn't mean that we are bearish. Yes, we are quite weak, but the structure is still in the bullish area. But the confirmation to continue to hold that or stay in the bullish direction is not there fully. It's a little bit weaker for the bulls. So let's talk about that. So starting off with the daily interval, we are back again into that $178 area, again where the previous time the sellers were. Now this time we need to hold a support here. I'll show you on the lower time frame what is the potential strength of the support if I'm seeing anything there, or what to look for. So right now you can see we are finding support at above 20 days moving average, but as I'll show you a couple of things on lower time frame, this support is not that strong right now. But the first thing I want to just talk about on daily interval is this zone, the blue box, where we have had these previous resistances. Right now Tesla is again in there. We need to stay above it, very important, otherwise it's going to be problematic. Then it's again a bit of a struggle to get back again to the upside, and then definitely since we have dipped below this channel, we need to get out of it ASAP, right? So that's, again, it's going to happen if it happens in the next coming trading days. But let's go to the lower time frame, and I want to go actually to the hourly interval first. So on the swing, as this area 178 and 180, as long as we are in this or get above this, we are still in the bullish structure. But on intraday, we already have a lower high here. You can see that, right? So we have a lower high, all right, and lower low as well. Now, if Tesla needs to, first of all, it needs to turn intraday bullish, and that would be getting above the level of 180. If Tesla can do this on an intraday from where it is right now, and this will be most likely on Monday now, then there is a possibility, well, at least getting up to $182. But that's where intraday, this is still a downtrend rejection area of $182. To change itself fully bullish, Tesla needs to get above 182 and 67 cents from where it is right now. So the next trading day, if we want to recapture the full-on bullish strength, we need to get above 182 and 63 cents. Otherwise, no. Any rebound, if it starts to reject this anywhere area below 182, that's just a rejection in the downtrend, and that would just constitute a rebound and nothing more than that. Because Tesla on intraday is in the downtrend, and then eventually if we lose this 178 fully, which we are very close of losing now, right now the last, the only thing protecting is that 200 hours moving average, but once we lose that, that's just a structure continuation to the downside. So you have to be careful here again, because the intraday structure is on the downside, okay? So also you can use this, we have a pivot now here, right? You can also use this trend line that eventually fully we have to change the structure back to the upside. We need to get out of this trend line as well, which is falling to the downside now. So yes, right now intraday, it's not in the favors of bulls. Bulls need to again do an uphill climb to change the structure back again to the upside. Sellers have again standing strong up here in the $185 range. So that's what it is, guys. I know it's painful, unfortunate. Let's go over 5 minutes interval as well, but uh, yeah, that area of this area 182 and 66 cents is what we needed to hold to continue up. Tesla was looking good in the pre-market, but then it just sold off today, right? And you can see even right now, the problem is that the reason that this 178 and $180, this area, why I'm not saying that this time it's acting as a support, and because you can see there's not much strength being pushed out and above of it, right? Sellers are just pushing it lower and lower, and even just before closing as well, it's looking weaker, right? So it tells you that this area is it's not that buyers are stepping in this area, it's still the sellers who are in control in this area. So that's a problem. All right, I'll talk more about it over the weekend as well, and we'll go over details on what are the news and data, weekly interval as well, and everything once the things have settled. And I'll also put on the short volume data over the weekend as well. But yeah, it's not fully bearish, but it's weak enough that intraday it's already bearish, and then intraday can turn its swing bearish again if we don't hold 178 and above. So yeah, but it's weak, just so you know. All right, I want to go over a couple of articles here as well, because there was, well, Musk says Tesla could be worth 30 trillion. Sure. Again, well, guys, it's just too far out. All right, I want to talk about this actually. This is quite interesting. Vanguard vote switch helps pass Tesla CEO Musk pay package. So Vanguard holds quite a lot. Vanguard is the second largest shareholder of Tesla with 232 million shares as of March 31st, which represents about 7% of the company, following Musk's 13% stake. Yeah, and they voted in favor. And yeah, guys, as if you know, we were in one of the videos, we were going over how Norwegian bank holds 31 million shares, right? Almost, so, and everyone for Norwegian was voting against, right? And they were just pushing it lower, right, for everyone. But Vanguard being in favor of Elon's package really helped the company for Elon to get the pay package. But yeah, the problem is that rally is not coming in the continuation, and as you can see, market has closed and Tesla hasn't closed nicely. It's not. It's at 177 and 98 cents. Poor thing. Yeah. Yeah, it's beaten up today, guys, unfortunately, but hey, that's what the market is on Tesla, so gotta deal with it. And there was, yeah, let's see. But yeah, intraday, I gave you the levels to watch, what would make it bullish again, but on the right now on the intraday is looking weaker, and swing, even though it hasn't turned bearish yet, but it's weak enough that I won't doubt it that it will turn bearish. But anyways, it all comes down to if we can regain out of this channel again and above 180 on Monday. I'll talk more about it when over the weekend I'll do another video on Tesla. But that's it for this video, guys. Yeah. Let's take a look at QQ and SPY real quick. So see, the market is up. Tesla's still sold off, right? And Nvidia, everything is up. Most of the Nvidia and some tech stocks. Netflix is up today. Anyways, but QQ is still bullish, guys. All right. Any pullback, as you know, is just getting bought back up. Yeah, it's full on bullish. And so is SPY is still bullish. You can see that level is still holding the pullback level 539 and 56 cents. I'll talk more about it when I'll do the videos later today and over the weekend. I'll be talking more in depth about it. But anyways, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.